Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to scan on Adobe Acrobat. So first, of course, head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat. Then at the top left corner of your screen, you should see the Create button. Just hover your mouse on it and start by clicking on Create a PDF. You will then be redirected to this page and all you have to do is click on Scanner. Next is choose your scanner by clicking on this drop-down menu. And before you proceed with scanning, you can actually modify settings, size, color, and quality of scan in this section. You can stick with default settings, but you can also customize your own. You also have an option to use this predefined scan setting. You have here auto detect color mode, black and white document, for color document, grayscale document, and color photograph. But as we said earlier, you can customize your own by clicking on the settings icon. So here you can also choose what pages you're going to scan. You can also prompt to scan more pages. You can customize color mode, resolution, paper size, quality, and output. And once everything is good with your scanner setting, you can start scanning by clicking on the scan button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!